So LAmade really started back in the 70s when my parents moved from Taiwan to the US to chase the American dream. My dad pretty much wanted to help more people to achieve their American dream, and they wanted to help more than 2 employees, so my father decided to start a factory. We make everything in our own factory right here in the heart of downtown Los Angeles. The advantages of producing locally, we're keeping our jobs in our own hometown. We get to control our quality 100%. We get to see the design through the production process and make sure that we are delivering the best product to our customers.
Within 10 miles, we have 90% of our fabrics. We design here, we produce it here. We have sight over what's happening. It's important for women to feel good in the clothing that they're wearing because it's the first step before you walk out of the house that creates your mood. I really think about the zeitgeist and the spirit of the times and what's happening in the world. What music am I listening to? What am I missing from my wardrobe? What does my mom want to wear?
Only 3% of the garments today are made in USA. A lot of the bigger retail chains, department stores that you see, they're all sourcing it from overseas.
You have these huge corporations that are getting the cheapest labor and they're breaking these deals and they're giving you cheap product. And it makes it really difficult for us to compete on that level because our labor is higher, because there's human beings here that deserve to get paid more.
This is a very labor-intensive industry, so when you can buy a shirt for less than you can buy a coffee, you know there is a huge problem.
You know, you can go directly and talk to them. They listen to you. Sometimes you have ideas. They make time to hear you, what is in your mind. And I like that part.
Everyone involved in the process really has a voice in the end result.
I mean, this is a family business, so that is a huge part of who we are.